Have a worksheet number 1. So time and distance. It's a concept of DTS, distance, time and speed. So have a go. Have a look at question number 1. An express train travelled at an average speed of 100 km/h, stopping for 3 minutes after every 75 minutes. How long did it take to reach its distance 600 km from the starting point? Option 1, 6 hours 21 minutes. Option 2, 6 hours 24 minutes. Option 3, 6 hours 27 minutes. Option 4, 6 hours 30 minutes. Option 5, none of these. So what I am given? So initial speed already given 100 km/h, but it takes 3 minutes stopping time every moving after covering 75 kilometers. So every 75 kilometers ki 3 minutes నార్మల్గా స్టాపింగ్లో ఉంటుంది, అంటే వెయిటింగ్లో ఉంటుంది. ఆమె క్లియర్? సో హౌ లాంగ్ డిడ్ ఇట్ టేక్ టు రీచ్ ద డెస్టినేషన్ ఆఫ్ టోటల్ 600 కిలోమీటర్స్ స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్? యాక్చువల్లీ 600లో మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే 600లో 75s ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి. 75s నార్మల్గా. అది ఇంకో బిఫోర్ దట్. సో రెస్ట్ ఇప్పుడు నార్మల్గా స్టాపింగ్ లేకుండా డైరెక్ట్గా వెళ్ళిపోయింది అనుకో, టైమ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఫార్ములా డిస్టెన్స్ బై స్పీడ్. But question what I am asking, how long? Nothing but what I am asking, time. Time equal to formula distance by speed. So without rest, a train covers 600 kilometers at the speed of 100 km/h. It takes 6 hours. Normally, and ఈ కండిషన్ లేకపోతే స్టాపింగ్ టైం లేకపోతే ఆన్సర్ 6 hours. బట్ ఎవ్రీ 75 కిలోమీటర్స్కి 3 minutes గ్యాప్ ఉంది కాబట్టి 600లో ఎన్ని 75s ఉంటాయి అది కూడా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. సో 75, how many is clearly we need to observe. 75 8s డైరెక్ట్లీ 75 8s 600. అంటే మీకు 8 గ్యాప్స్ ఉండవండి, లాస్ట్ గ్యాప్ కూడా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తా అంటే మనకి స్టాపేజెస్ 7 వస్తాయి అనమాట. సో ఇది స్టాపేజెస్ అంటే ఎన్ని స్టాప్లు వచ్చాయి అనేది మనం కడుతున్నాం. స్టాపేజెస్, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టాపేజెస్. ఆమె క్లియర్? సో 7 స్టాప్స్ వస్తాయి. ఎందుకంటే యాక్చువల్లీ 600 కిలోమీటర్స్ 75 కిలోమీటర్స్కి ఒకసారి ట్రైన్ ఆగితే మనకి టోటల్ 8 గ్యాప్స్ రావండి. బట్ డివిజన్ 8 ఉంటుంది, బట్ లాస్ట్ గ్యాప్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయకూడదు కదా, అంటే -1 అంటే 7 స్టాపేజెస్. బట్ ఈచ్ స్టాపేజ్లో 3 minutes రెస్ట్లో ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఆన్సర్ ఏమవుతుందంటే 7 × 3 అంటే మీకు ఓన్లీ రెస్ట్లో 21 minutes ఉంది. నార్మల్గా అయితే 6 hours పడుతుంది, అంటే 6 hours 21 minutes ఈజ్ అ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఆన్సర్. 6 hours 21, option A is 1 is the right answer. Am I clear? So normally distance by speed equal to call time. What I am asking, time 600 kilometers without stoppages. Initial speed 100 km/h వెళ్తే 6 hours time పడుతుంది. బట్ వాట్ ఐమ్ గివెన్ స్టాపింగ్ 3 minutes ఆఫ్టర్ ఎవ్రీ 75 kilometers. సో నథింగ్ బట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టాపేజెస్ హౌ మెనీ అప్టైన్? 7 అప్టైన్, బికాస్ 75 1 75 8 600. బట్ 8 స్టాపేజెస్ రావండి, ఇది వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. 8 × 4 3 చేస్తే 24 కూడా ఆప్షన్ ఉంది. సో ఇది పెట్టేస్తారు, ఇది రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్. ఆమె క్లియర్? సో మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే 8 అనేవి గ్యాప్స్ రావు, 7 వస్తాయి. ఎందుకంటే లాస్ట్ది కూడా మనకు లాస్ట్ డెస్టినేషన్ వెళ్ళిపోయింది అనుకుంది, ఆ గ్యాప్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయకూడదు, అంటే -1 చేయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ 7 స్టాపేజెస్. 7 × 3 21 minutes ఓన్లీ స్టాపింగ్లో ఉంది. బట్ నార్మల్గా అయితే 6 hours పడుతుంది. టోటల్ ఆన్సర్ 6 hours 21 minutes. ఆప్షన్ 1 ఈజ్ రైట్ ఆన్సర్. ఆమె క్లియర్? హ్యావ్ ఎ లుక్ ఎట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 2. Sound is said to travel in a air about 1100 feet per second. So that is the speed. What I am given speed? So 1100 feet per second. Okay na? A man hears the axe striking the tree 11/5 seconds. So time how much given? 11/5 seconds. So clear? After he sees it's a strike the tree. Okay na? How far is the man from the wood chopper? So question what I am asking, distance. Normally distance equal to formula speed into time. So already given speed how much? 1100 feet per second. And time already given 11/5 seconds. So 5 2s are 0. Then answer 0 2420 feet. This is the distance. Am I clear? Option 2 is right answer. So speed already given 1100 feet per second. Okay, a man hears the axe striking the tree 11 by 5 seconds. After he sees it strike the tree. So how far is the man from the wood chopper? So nothing but question what I am asking, distance, speed into time, but here don't convert into any type of units, because speed given feet per, what I am given feet per seconds, time given already seconds, second cancel, we will obtain the answer in feet. So 5 22s are 110, 0 common, so 11, 22 into 11, how much? 22, 2420 feet. That is the required answer. Option 2 is right answer. So let's go to question number 3. The speed of a car increased by 2 kilometers after every 1 hour. If the distance traveling in the first 1 hour was 35 kilometers, what was the total time covered in 12 hours? Am I clear? So what I am given, initial speed 2 km per hour given. Am I clear? Every 1 hour, the distance traveled in the first 1 hour was 35 km. Okay. So initially a car starts with 35 km per hour. Every 1 hour 2 km increases. What is the second hour speed? 37. And third hour speed 39. Every 1 hour 2 km per hour increases. So and so on. So these are how many terms obtained? Total 12 hours, nothing but 12 terms obtained. Am I clear? These terms are belongs to arithmetic progression, because common difference are equal. What is the common difference? So T2 minus T1, nothing but 2 here. Okay, na common difference equal first term nothing but 35, that is the first term. But question what I am asking, what is the total distance travelled in 12 hours? Nothing but what I am asking, Sn, sum of the n times. So what is the formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. Okay. So n value, you know that n value 12 times, n value number of times, hours, nothing but here n value 12 times. So therefore it can be written Sn equals to n by 2, nothing but 12 by 2 into 2a. 2a means 2 into what is the a value? 35 plus n minus 1, nothing but 12 times, 12 minus 1 into d, 2. This is the required answer. 2 1s are 2 6s. Am I clear? 6 2 into 35 70, because initials are already given a value 35. Am I clear? So plus 12 minus 1 11, 11 into 2 22. So 6 into 70 plus 22, that means 6 into 92. What is the required answer? 6 2s are 12, 6 9s are 54 plus 1 55 kilometers. 552 kilometers is the distance, total distance in 12 hours. 552, option 3 is right answer. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 4. A person crosses 600 meters long street in 5 minutes. What is a speed in kilometer per hour? Actually, if it is given, what is the relation among DTS? This is very important. Distance to speed and time. For example, distance to time to speed. Distance given in kilometer, time must be taken in hours. What about speed? Distance by time, nothing but kilometer per hour. Am I clear? This is a unit conversion. So if distance given in meters, time must be taken in seconds. What about speed? Meter per second. Am I clear? So in that question what I am asking, what is the speed? Speed equal to formula normally distance by time. Distance by time is a speed formula. So clearly we need to notice that in that question. So question actually distance already given 600 meters. Long street, nothing but distance 600 meters. So distance already given in meters. Time must be taken in seconds. But time here especially how many given? 5 minutes given. Minutes must be converted into seconds. Nothing but 60 seconds. This is the required answer. So distance by time is called speed. Okay. So distance by time is called speed. So especially distance already given in meters. If distance is given in meter, time must be taken in seconds. So but question what is the speed in kilometer per hour? So in that distance already given in meters, speed already converted into seconds, but what I am getting meter per second. Am I clear? Actually these are how many meter per second? 60 10s. Okay, 10 by 5 1s 5 2s. Finally what I am getting 2 meter per second. But what I am given question asking speed asking in kilometer per hour. That means 1 meter per second equal how many kilometer per hour? So 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So 18 2s are 36 by 5 kilometer per hour. So this is 36 by 5 nothing but 7.2 kilometer per hour. This is the required answer, because 5 7s are 35, remainder 1 point taken 0, nothing but 2s are 10. Option 2 is right answer. Am I clear? Have a look at question number 5. A train travels at an average speed of 50 miles per hour. So speed given in miles per hour for 2.5 hours, and then travels at the speed of 70 miles per hour for 1.5 hour. So how far the train did the travel in the entire 4 hours? Am I clear? So initially in 2.5 hours, actually given the speed. So initial speed how much given? 50 miles per hour. So next one, time especially in 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours. Am I clear? So clearly in the first one you have to calculate distance. First 2.5 hours distance. Distance equal to formula speed into time. That means actually speed 50 miles per hour given. So this is miles per hour. Okay, miles per hour. So miles per hour. Okay na? So 50 into time, 2.5 nothing but 5 by 2. 2 1s are 225. Initially how much distance covered? 25 5s are 125 miles. 125 miles. Am I clear? In the second part what I am given, and then travel the speed of 70 miles per hour. So next speed also given 70 miles per hour. 1.5 hour nothing but 1.5 hour. So and also you have to calculate distance, second distance, nothing but speed into time. So what is the speed? 70 into time, 1.5 nothing but 3 by 2. 2 1s are 2 plus 1. 2 1s are 2, 35 35 3s are 105 miles. But question what I am asking, in 4 hours how far the train did travel in the entire journey of 4 hours. So nothing but 125 plus 105. This is a required answer. Answer is 230 miles. 230 miles, option 4 is right answer. Am I clear?